Hey guys, this is Mr. Grice for today's basic math review. Today we're going to be talking about prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization is pretty much breaking down a number into prime numbers. And a prime number is when a number's only factor is 1 and the number. So our examples are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. If we were to break some of these numbers down, the only numbers that multiply into it would be 1 times 5 or 1 times 13. Okay? The other type of numbers that we have are composite numbers like 10, which break down into, let's write that differently. When you break them down, it's 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. It has multiple factors. Okay? So what we're going to be talking about today is creating a factor tree. Now, when we create a factor tree for these numbers, we need to know of different numbers that multiply to get to it. And to use that, we've got our handy-dandy multiplication chart. So I need to find 50 on this chart. So if I know for a fact that 10 is going to go into it, and that is 10 times 5. So 50 can be broken down into 5 times 10. And 5 is a prime number. And now 10 can be multiplied by 2 times 5. So our prime factorization of this number is 2 times 5 times 5. Let's try with another number, 140. So I'm pretty sure that 7 goes into 140. So I'm going to look across the multiplication chart, and I found it. It's 7 times 20. So 7 times 20. Well, 7's a prime number. 20 can be broken down to 4 times 5. And 5's a prime number. 4 is broken down to 2 times 2. And those are prime numbers. So our final prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. Now, how am I writing my answers? All of my answers are from lowest to highest. Okay, that's how we write it. All right, 64. 64 is 8 times 8. And 8 is 4 times 2. Or 2 times 4. It doesn't matter how you order your numbers. 4 is 2 times 2. 2 times 2. So the prime factorization of 64 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, you might be saying, hey, Mr. Grice, I know another number that breaks down into 64. Would we get the same answer? Well, let's find out. Another way to get to 64 is 4 times 16. So 4 times 16, well, 4 is 2 times 2. 4 times 4, 2 times 2, 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No matter how you break down your number, you will always get the same answer. That's one of the nice things about prime factorization. All right, let's look up internet. that's messing up. Let's look at the number 396. So let's look on our multiplication chart. 396. Where is that number? I'm looking somewhere down here. If anybody sees it before me, please help me out and shout it out. There it is. So 396 is 22 times 18. So 22 times 18. 22 is 2 times 11, and both of those are prime numbers. 18 can be broken down to 2 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. So the prime factorization of this number is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 11. All right, that's it for prime factorization. If you have any other questions and need help, please watch any of the other basic math videos. Thanks, guys.